How to cancel friend requests on Facebook. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the menu option from the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the friends option you see there. Now, you will be led to your Friends Request tab, so tap on the See All option you see there, and in this particular interface, you will be able to view all the people who has sent you friend requests. Now, if you want to view the friend request that you have sent, then tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen and you will see the option for View Sent Requests. Tap on that and now in this particular interface, you will be able to view all the requests that you have sent to people on Facebook. So simply scroll through the individual whom you want to cancel the friend request to and you will see the option to cancel request. Simply tap on the cancel request option you see there right beside the people whom you want to cancel the friend request, and with this the request will be cancelled. So this is how you can cancel friend requests on Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.